because my story isn't over yet. I can't let down those who rely on me. There's so much more to be written. My journey has been filled with ups and downs, but every chapter tells the story of my strength and resilience. When things get tough, I remind myself of the people who believe in me, the ones who've stood by me, cheered me on, and lifted me up when I was down. I'm not just doing this for myself, I'm doing it for them too. For everyone who said I couldn't make it, and for those who always believed I could. Life is not a straight path. It's a winding road full of twists and turns, each one a step closer to our true purpose. I am determined to keep moving forward, to keep fighting, because I know every challenge I face is shaping me into who I am meant to become. If you feel the same way, remember, your story isn't over either. Keep pushing, keep believing, and never let go of your dreams.